Good morning and welcome to the last and final day of our this beautiful session. The 10th and the final questions that we're going to address is why my prayers are not answered. This was the particular part Arjuna asked. Sometimes I feel that my prayers are not answered, and I think it's not sometimes, most of the time we feel we ask the God and we feel that one is not answered. And the beautiful answer is that there is no unanswered prayers. Keep the faith and drop the fear. Life is a mystery to solve and not problem to resolve. Now, like I just want to admit one thing. See, this is a little bit of mixtures of the modern perspective based on the Gita's message. So exactly the shlokas are not exactly will be matched with the messages. And you will see a lot of modern people have the same statements and they put the statements in a modern perspective based on their own. But if you stress, you'll get everything into the Gita. Whatever these modern gurus and all these people talk about, everything is there given in the Gita. So there is something beautiful. The message is very beautiful. There is nothing called as unanswered prayers. Keep the faith and drop the fear. Life is misery to solve, not problem to resolve. We'll work on that one now. So let's see the particular part. So I just want to tell you the story. There was a blind boy. He was sitting actually. He put a board. I am blind. Please help. And he has that his like that box where people used to put some dollars, coins, or something like that way. Now, what happened exactly? See, he used to get a very less amount of money and everything, and he used to keep on telling everybody or telling that one, help me, and this one like that way. But nothing was coming. Then one nice person was going from that direction, and what he done exactly? He's seen the board, and what he done? He just turned his board and written something different. What he written? Today is a beautiful day, and I cannot see it. Now this boy don't know what exactly happened. The moment he returned this board and put in opposite direction, actually like the money start like flowing into his box like anything. His box was getting overflow. Now what happened that evening when this person was going back from the station again, this blind boy actually understand his steps. And when he understand his steps, immediately he like ask, sir, can you please, like I think so morning you done something with my board and I see there is a big miracle is happen. Then he asked, what you written into the board? Then he told that one, see, you written, I am blind, please help. Instead of that one, I just change. Today is a beautiful day. I cannot see it. What is the moral of the story? Very simple and the most important moral of the story. See, that's what we talk about the gratitude journal. We talk about the gratitude everywhere. We talk about the thanksgiving. We talk about count your blessings and all these parts. Please understand that when this self-help journey has some basic points. And actually, if you understand that game and if you understand the basic of the life is goes to that one. So what is the moral of the story? See, when people read that one, they actually start feeling happy that they can see this beautiful day. And only happy people can help somebody. And only people who can see the gratitude, who can see that some contribution, they can help somebody. And this create a miracle. So people find out, oh, something I have different than this boy. Something is that one I am grateful for. Something that God has given me that these boys don't have. And that's what's create a miracle. So remember, be thankful for what you have. See the creativity, innovation, think differently and positively. This all game can be created. Very, very important, my dear friend. Please understand. Now I told you very, very strong statement. Life is meant to be live, not to be solved. So it's not a puzzle. It's not a mystery. It's a little bit mystery, not the problem to be solved. See, in our whole life, what happened? We just try to give a color. See, this is a beautiful story. It's our color. If you wear the spect of the green, you will see the whole world green. If you wear the spect of the orange, you will see everything orange. If you spect the whole the black spect, you will be see the darkness. You will be see the darkness. I told you already story about the four people, but this is something very beautiful. Exactly when I was searching on this particular statement, कि life is misery to solve, resolve, not problems to the solve. I was trying to understand and contemplate on this statement in a deeply. What it mean by this statement exactly? Then in between that one, I just bump up with this how the life is for each and every person. I will tell you the two story. One is the story of this elephant. See this, there was a there was a village. There was like a five blind people was staying. So these blind people was exactly five six blind people. There was a group. They was in that village. They never seen the elephant. And first time in that village, elephant came. Now somebody tells that one that elephant came, elephant came. These people don't know. They never imagined. Nobody told them how elephant looks and what elephant and everything. They don't know. Then now they decided, okay, go and see how is the elephant. Now they went and they touch. This all these six people touch different way. The person who touched to the tail told it is a rope. The person who touched to the trunk, he told it is like a wall. The person who touched to the leg, it's full like a like a pillar. The person who like touched to the teeth, he made it feel is a spear. See, and the persons who actually went up on his ear, he feel it is a fan. So now see, the six people has different six assumption about the elephant, but the elephant is not elephant for them. For them, this is a different. For somebody is a rope, somebody tree, somebody's wall, somebody's snake, somebody's a fan. Somebody, like this trunk is filled as a snake. See, this is something very different thing. And for us also the same thing happened in our life. And this is the part. Please understand in our life, we give our color. Now come to this very important point. This story I tell every time. I just want to tell you what is my life and what is the value of life. The value of the life is depends on what you decide. I'm just giving you the beautiful small story. There was a saint and there was a one person who was not like, I'm not telling very poor or something, but because of some other dimension in his life. I told you every dimension is important, from your health fitness to the your body mind soul, to your relationship, to your like a society, career, finance. Everything is important. If you are very healthy and if you don't have the wealth, you can create the wealth, but if you don't have the wealth in this moment, you're going to suffer. Now this person's exactly got fed up with his relationship issues and all other problems, and he decided to do suicide. But somebody suggested is that before going to suicide, please meet this saint and you can do. Then he went to this one and he decided to meet to the suicide. And I don't know what is this value, why I came to this life you don't have any value. Then the saint, instead of telling him something, he just take out some stone from his pocket and it's given to him and told him that one, see, you have to go to this particular village and city, ask what is the value of this stone, but don't sell or don't give it to anybody in any cost, but just tell what they will be think what is the value of this particular stone. So make the story short, he went to the vegetable vendor. Then vegetable vendor feel this look like okay, something little nice, so it's okay. Then he told, I can give you 2 kg of onion, 2 kg of potato for this stone. Then he went to the kirana merchant, means like a grocery shop. He asked him, then he told that I can give you 10 kg of rice, 10 kg of wheat or something like that. Then he went to the uh, let's make it down to, he went to the jewelry shop. The jewelry shop persons understand it is look like something valuable, but still he is like a goldsmith. He still don't understand what is exactly, but he told that one is look something very interesting. It look like something like a diamond. Then he told that one, kids look like a diamond. I can give you, like a 1 kg of gold. Now this person was shocked. See that one person is talking 2 kg onion potato, another person talking 10 kg rice, and this person is talking 1 kg gold on just this stone. But he remembered that one he is not to supposed to sell. Then he went to the city and he went to the diamond merchant. The moment diamond merchant sees that one, he kept a beautiful silk cloth. He do the puja of that stone, and then he asked where you got. Then he told that one, it is not matter where you I got. Tell me what is the value of this particular thing. He told that one, whatever diamonds I have in my whole these things, if I give, still I cannot buy this particular stone. This is the most valuable diamond in the whole universe. Then this persons actually come back and then he told this interesting concept and everything. Then Guru told him only one thing. This is the value of life. Now this is the value of life for you. If you are vegetable merchants, it is the value of 2 kg onion, 2 kg potato. If it is a grocery shop, it is just 10 kg rice. So how you take your life, how you understand, and that is there. And life is to live in this moment. Life is not there in the future, there is not in the past. So what is the action? See, in your life, there is 1,000 reasons to cry, 100 reasons to cry, but you can find out 1,000 reasons to smile. See, like there is a one reasons to fight the life, but find out 1,000 reasons to smile, and you'll find out. That's what I told you. It's nothing but count your blessing. If you have the home, if you have the food, you have the water, um, you have the cloth, you are already in the 20% people in the world who are missing either of this something. And if you have the own house, I'll tell you the own house ratio is not even 40% in this whole universe. whole world. If you are the family, crores of people don't have the family. If you're the job, crores of people don't have job. If you have the money, this one, forget about everything. If you have the body, like you are the biggest miracle of the world. This body is the most precious gift God is given. And if your body is functioning properly and your body is healthy, please understand, please tell God's crores of time thanks. First things for this body itself. You will understand the importance of health only when you lost it and when you get admitted into hospital. That's why I told you the moment you feel depression, I'll tell you maybe it is a corona time, you cannot go, but to really understand the life, please go to the hospital and you will get a perspective what is the life is exactly, what is the real life. It is very simple, like to sit, calculate, okay, 7 crores turnover is happened. I expected 8 crore, but this is not happened, that is not happened. The life is not favorable. I have this problem, I have that problem. But how much blessings you have? Did you really count? So this is a statement again I put like day before yesterday we work on completely. So face your past without regret, handle your present with the confidence, and prepare for the future without the fear. So keep the faith and drop the fear because faith is only things which will be keep you on going. The most beautiful thing is to see a person smiling. And even more beautiful is knowing that you are the reason behind it. So create a happiness in the people's lives. And this is the simple and the most important lessons you can have in your life. The more you contribute to the society, more you give to the society, society pays you back. Your prosperity, your health, your happiness, everything lies into this particular part. The more you contribute, the more you get. So please understand this is something the beauty of this part. So being a reason, be a reason for somebody's smile. A small things matters most. That's what even yesterday I just given in this time of corona will understand the crores of rupees of no use if you don't get a food at the home. Crores of rupees no use. Your car which is like in like in your parking is of no use because you cannot take it outside. And you've seen the small things, just going outside, walking, talking with the people, exploring your favorite food, and this all part is like these are the small things which was really needed and which was really required for us, which was we miss. So remember, this is the very important part. So trust me, life is wonderful if you know how to live. If you know how to live the life, you will make. And I want to personally thank each and every person who was the journey because 80% of success is showing up. We can register for so many webinars, we can register for so many programs, but if you cannot show up, so first thing is to show up itself is the biggest challenge for the 80% of the success. So if you don't, really shows up, if you really don't attend this particular past, nothing will happen. See, a lot of people can think, okay, I will see the YouTube video and I know the ratio and I know the statistics, how it's happened. Nobody sees it. So I want to personally thank some of the people who are very consistent and they've done it throughout the 15 days. That's what 80% of success is showing up. Remember that when you've shown up and already you've taken the step in your life and this will change your life. I really don't want to do anything, but I'm coming with the two important things. One is the another free program that will be starting another 2-3 days. This is based on the how to handle the anxiety, only anxiety mainly, or the depression, so that the past and future. So we are creating the one program is based on the Indian government's actually given some norms for this one because the rate, suicide rate, and everything is increased. So they are working on that one. So I want to thanks Prasanna, Srikant, Santosh, Mega, Lakshmi, Srinivas, Monobana, Sanjay Ramchandran, Prasad Kumar, author Venkat Kumarsan, Jagdish Aropalli, Milind Arora, and Prashanti. Last and not the least, all the people who attended but not shown up today, to each and every person this universe. So self-esteem program we are launching, we're going to start from the Friday, and it's a very action-oriented program. We are going to make you to take the action in this moment. See now, I may be giving you a lot of theory, I given you a lot of explanation, but if you're not done, it will be not work. So I want to take action in this moment because this is always was the pain point in my whole life that this self-help industries, these all programs, self-help books, self-help video, so much of material is available, but it is not really bring a transformation because there is a missing link, and missing link is that one. First thing is that one, taking the action. So this is a 30 minutes, exactly 30 minutes action oriented program. You will take the action there. You will do the activity there itself. So very much action oriented program, because I don't want to give only theory, but I want to give the practical experience. Now, if I talk about the mindfulness meditation, I will teach you how to do mindfulness meditation, how to do mindfulness walk, how to do mindfulness this one. So please, if anybody is interested, please join, but no compulsion, nothing is there. So thanks guys. Have a nice day. Take care. Be blessed.